Hello. In this video you will see how the asset management process in OBS ERP works. There are two main modules that we will review. Let's see the first one, long-term tangible assets, which is basically the register with all assets our company has. Let's click Create and add our new asset. A personal computer. This very same module can be used for accounting purposes as well. We can click Save and OBS will show us the mandatory fields. In this case, acquisition amount. There are other financial attributes to this module, which we won't review in the current video. We can define the internal category of the asset as well as the office. The remaining two fields, date of transfer to employee and employee, will be automatically filled in when we execute the transfer. Let's click Save again, go to the bottom of the page and open Section History. This is the place where you can see where the assets have been transferred. Now let's move forward, open Module Assets Transfers, and see how to assign assets to employees. First, we need to select the employee from the drop-down list. After saving the document, a code will be automatically assigned. Next step is to add the assets that we'll be transferring. Here we can see both available and unavailable assets. The ones that are unavailable will have the employee's name next to the asset. Let's add one more row. Now, let's transfer the items to the employee. All we need to do is click Transferred, the next step of the process. We can also generate a PDF document by clicking the Print tab. That's the preview option. To generate the PDF document, click on the PDF icon. Now, let's go back to the Asset Register module and see the updated items. We see the updated statuses. And here we can see the updated date of transfer, employee, and of course, the history. That's how we transfer assets to employees. Now let's see how employees return their assets. Of course, we can create a document as we just did, add the assets, and click Returned, but there is a quicker way. For that purpose we would need to open Module Staff and select the employee that will return assets. All we need to do here is click button, Return Assets, which will automatically create a return document with all the assets our employee has. We can click on Transfer number 11 and see our new document. We can go to the bottom of the page and check if all assets were added. If these are the items the employee is returning, we can go to Step Returned. The assets were returned, and the information has been updated in the Register module. Here we can see the status of the newly available assets. Also, we can open one of the items and check the history. That's how you can manage your assets using OBS ERP. Thanks for watching.